Hello children, welcome back. Hope you are all well. We are going to learn another new sound today, another exciting phonics lesson. Before we begin, like last time, make sure you've got a pencil and paper or a whiteboard pen and a whiteboard. If you need to pause me while you go and grab that, that's fine. Fabulous, I think we're ready to begin now. We're going to start off with our speedy sounds. So these are sounds that you should know quite well. Are you ready? Magnet eyes this way. Let's do it together. S, A, M, T, I, D. Are you ready to go a little bit more speedily now? Let's go. S, A, M, T, I, D. S. Give yourself a thumbs up. Well done children, that was really speedy. I think we're ready for our new sound. It's a stretchy sound, this one. I'm going to show you the picture first though. It's a picture of a boy called Nobby and he's playing football and he scores the goal. Is in the net. Can you say that? Net. Your turn. Net. Net. Fabulous. Can you hear the sound at the beginning of net? That's right. It is a and it looks like this. My turn, your turn. Brilliant. Okay, let's practice that. When I show you this side, I'd like you to say net. And when I show you this side, I'd like you to say Okay, are you ready? I'm going to hide it behind my back again to see if I can trick you. Brilliant. Did I manage to trick you or did you get them all right? Well done you. Okay, right. Grab your whiteboard or your piece of paper. Let's have a practice at writing that sound. Are you ready? So, we start on the line. We go up, down Nobby and over his net. Start on the line, up, down, Nobby and over the net. Fabulous. Let's do this one together. You ready? Start on the line, up, down Nobby and over his net. Have a go on your own now. See if you can do 10 Pause the video while you do that. Brilliant. Well done children. I bet you did that really neatly. Let's hide our new sound in our pack of sounds that we already know really well. Let's go through the sounds. When you see the sound, I'd like you to point to it, so that I know that you can see it. Are you ready? Did you spot it? Brilliant. I'm going to hide it again and this time, I'm going to hide it really well. This time I want you to shout at the screen really loud when you see it. Are you ready? Did you see it? Brilliant. Well done if you did. Okay, let's practice some green words that have our sound in it. Okay, we're going to do them together. Ready? O, D. Nod. Fabulous. I, n. Bin. N, e, t. Net. P, I, n. Pin. Brilliant. Okay, for a little bit of a challenge, I'm going to hold up a word and see if you can do it in your head, all on your own. Are you ready? Ten. Excellent. Let's try another one. Nod. Fantastic. One more. Are you ready? Pin. Brilliant. Give yourself a hip, hip, hooray! Brilliant reading, children. Let's try some alien words now. So these alien words are nonsense. They don't make any sense. We know these are alien words because they've got our alien picture. Should we have a go at reading them? Let's do it together. San. What a load of nonsense. Should we try one more? Nep. What a load of nonsense. It doesn't make any sense, does it? Those words are so funny. Okay, let's have a go then at practicing writing some of those words. So you'll need your whiteboard or your piece of paper, and you're going to need your thread fingers. So let's give them a wiggle, give them a tickle, make sure they're nice and awake. Okay, the first word I would like you to write is pin. P-I-N. How many thread fingers do we need for that word? Can you show me? Well done, children. You're right. It's 3. Let's squeeze the sounds together. P-I-N. Pin. Brilliant. Write it down. Pin. Okay, let's have a go together. So, the first sound is P. Then you need a I. And then you need a N. P-I-N. Give yourself a tick if you remembered your P. Give yourself a tick if you remembered your I. And give yourself a tick if you remembered N. If you didn't remember that, that's fine. It doesn't matter, just correct it so you'll remember it next time. Okay, are you ready for a second word? The next word we're going to write is net. N-E-T. Net. Can you show me how many thread fingers you need? It is. We need 3 thread fingers. Let's squeeze the sounds together. N-E-T. Net. Have a go. Write it down for me. Net. Okay, so our first sound we need is N. Then we need a E. And then we need T. N-E-T. Net. Give yourself a tick for your N. Give yourself a tick for your E. And give yourself a tick for T. If it wasn't right, correct it for me. Okay, one last word for us to write today. We're going to write the word nod, like I nod my head. How many thread fingers do we need for nod? N-od, nod. It's 3 again, it is. Let's squeeze the sounds together. N-o-d, nod. Have a go and write it down. Okay, children, let's have a go at doing it all together. Our first sound is n. O, d. N-o-d, nod. Give yourself a tick if you remembered your n. Give yourself a tick if you remembered your o. And give yourself a tick if you remembered your d. Fabulous. Right, now it is time for our hold a sentence. So listen carefully for the sentence and then I'd like you to repeat it. Are you ready? A cat is 10. It's just had its birthday, so now it's 10 years old. Ready? My turn, your turn. A cat is 10. A cat is 10. A cat is 10. Brilliant. Write it down for me and don't forget those capital letters and full stops. If you need to pause the video, if you need a bit more time, then you can do that. Okay, let's write our sentence then. So we must remember our capital letter. A, and then we need our finger space. K, at, cat. Is, t, e, n. 10. And then I'm not going to forget my full stop this time. A cat is 10. Does your sentence look like mine? Brilliant if it does. If it doesn't, don't worry, just correct it. Before we go, I would just like us to practice reading some words that we've already practiced before. So I just want to go through it one more time to make sure you've remembered it really well. Are you ready? U, I, p, lip. Ready? P, I, g, pig. I, p, tip. I, t, sit. Last one. D, I, p, dip. Brilliant, children. What was our sound today? That's right, it was a sound. I wonder if you can find anything in your house that begins with the sound. See if you can find something today. See you soon, children.